The art of discipline, being an encourager. So what does that mean? Well, today I went for a bike run workout, and on my bike I happened to run or pass by a cross-country team that was running, about 4 or 5 guys. And when I got home and I switched and put all my running shoes on, the really cool thing is that I wasn't very far away from those same guys. So it was very much exciting for me to see if I could catch up with them, and I did actually. And actually, I passed them. And so the really cool thing was that this guy just goes, "Oh my gosh, you're awesome!" And what I noticed is just a couple of things that we can apply to our Advocare business. First of all, if you are a leader, your team looks up to you, and you may be a little bit ahead of them, and they want to catch up to you. And so you are an encourager just by the example that you lead. But also what's really cool as I was catching up to these guys is that one or two things could have happened. They could have been silent and given me the cold shoulder, and egos would have been risen, and they would have probably tried to pick up their pace. But instead, a guy was an encourager. And what I found was, because I received that encouragement from that stranger, maybe an 18-year-old, the really cool thing is that I wanted to run faster. It just instilled something in me that made me feel like I'm better than maybe what I really am. And so the great thing that you can take away from this as far as how to apply this to your business is that, one, if you're a leader, be an encourager to your team. This is not about a competition. Everybody wins together. And when you encourage your team, the awesome thing is that they will be empowered to move forward and to do more and to move faster. So the art of discipline, be an encourager not only to your team but to yourself today.